Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air fryers, the Chefman digital air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. If you're in the market for an air fryer and can't decide which one to go for, this video will help you make an informed decision. Make sure to like this video, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both air fryers offer a variety of cooking options, including air frying, baking, and roasting. However, the Chefman digital air fryer takes it a step further by offering dehydrating and rotisserie features as well. Winner, Chefman. Both air fryers offer a healthier cooking option, using far less oil than traditional frying methods. However, the Chefman digital air fryer has the edge with a 98% oil reduction compared to the 95% reduction offered by the Instant Vortex Plus. Winner, Chefman. If you're cooking for a large family or meal prepping, the Chefman digital air fryer is the better choice with a 10-liter capacity compared to Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart capacity. Winner, Chefman. Both air fryers cook fast, but the Instant Vortex Plus has an edge with even faster cooking time due to its even crisp technology and the ability to cook straight from frozen with little to no preheating time. Winner, Instant Vortex Plus. While both air fryers have preset options, the Chefman digital air fryer has 17 of them and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen, making it accessible for anyone to cook perfect meals in minutes. It also has a larger window for monitoring cooking progress. Winner, Chefman. The Chefman digital air fryer is priced at $119, whereas the Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $139. Winner, Chefman. Both air fryers have dishwasher-safe parts, but the Instant Vortex Plus has the edge because of its non-stick air fry basket, tray, and the presence of a drip tray with auto-off features. Winner, Instant Vortex Plus. That's it for today's comparison between the Chefman digital air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. We hope this video has provided you with the necessary insights to help you make an informed decision on which air fryer to purchase. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.